Hi friends, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today in this video, we'll learn about how to fix app crashing on iPhone. Here I'll show you 3 tips about fix app crashing. So watch this full video till end. Now let's begin. First of all, launch the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to below and tap on General. In General Settings, scrolling down and tap on Reset. Next, tap on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted. Then again tap on Reset all settings to confirm it. So now it's done. If it is not working, then try second trick. So now let's get started. Second trick. In this trick, once power off your iPhone and then power it on. So here that's done. If it is still not working, then try next. For this trick, open App Store on your iPhone. So here we go. Once you are here, tap on your ID profile. Now scroll down to below and update the apps. So here that's all done. Hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe our channel.